This right here is our newest product, at least as of the end of 2019, and they are our all wood tongs. They're made out of, just like I said, all wood. We've got a piece of Jatoba right here, and we've got 2 pieces of Mexican ebony. These are a little bit different than your regular kitchen tongs that are probably metal and have a hinge or something, a spring back here. So they do not actually spring from the back. We rely on the bending of this wood right here to grab whatever you're trying to get. So, as a result, you can't really grab them back here and squeeze because it's solid wood back there. You just need to choke up a little bit and you can use the bend of the wood. It's quite nice. We've been using these a lot for mixing up some salads, serving lettuce, but where they really excel is either on the grill or in the pan when you've got something hot going and you just need to flip some bacon, flip a burger, chicken, whatever it happens to be. They're great for keeping your hands out of the way of the heat, keeping your fingertips on your fingers where they're supposed to go, and they are a nice addition to any kitchen. Every now and then you get those things you just can't do with the wooden spoon. This is probably going to help you, and you can do this with them, which looks pretty sweet.